Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers and learners. How are you? I hope you are fine. Okay, at this difficult moment, I think you are staying at home and keeping yourself safe and sound. Okay, today I would like to welcome to our online class organized by SM Model Government High School. Okay, like others day, I will discuss something with you. Today, I will discuss something from our EFT, Unit-1, Lesson 3 and 4. Unit-1, Lesson 3 and 4. Look at the title. Here, the lesson title is Our Ethnic Friends. Or ethnic friends. Okay, I think someone has got puzzled. What is ethnic friends? We have different types of friends: close friend, bosom friends. Okay, this type of friends. But here I have written ethnic friends. Do you know the meaning? What is ethnic friends? Okay, ethnic. Ethnic means tribal, and you know that in our country there are some tribal groups, and all the groups are a part of the people of this country, and they are our friend. Why they are our friend? Because they are an important part for our culture. They are the dwellers in this geographical territory. They try to do something to develop this country. They are also trying to enrich our culture. Okay, and they are our friends. We regard them our friends. And you know that there are about 40 types of different tribe or tribal groups in Bangladesh. Among them, Chakma, Marma, Mog, Morang, Santals, Rakhine, Manipuri, etc. can be mentioned. Have you heard their names? I think more or less you have heard. Isn't it? Okay, yes, you have heard. Okay, now let me read out the passage. Actually, what are the information in our ethnic friends section 1. Okay, the ethnic people in Bangladesh hold a very important place in the culture of the country. Okay, you know that their cultural activities is very praiseworthy, very amazing, very eye-catching also, especially when any large event is held here. The ethnic people try their best to display their praiseworthy activities. Okay, in this sense, are they are doing something important to enrich our culture. The majority of these people live in the Chittagong, and now you know that Chittagong is used Chattogram. Okay, and you should know that most of the ethnic people are living in the hilly area or other parts of Bangladesh, but most of them live in the hilly area. Hilly area means the area of Bandarban, Chattogram, Khagrachari, Rangamati, etc. Besides this hilly area, they also live in Sylhet, Mymensingh, and Rajshahi also. We can find some Rakhine in Patuakhali also. So they live different parts of the country. Some ethnic people also live in the cities and town also, but they are not mentioned here. Okay, the others live in the regions of Mymensingh, Rajshahi, and Sylhet. I have already mentioned. They live in forest areas, in the hills region, and rural areas. Why they live in this area? Because they are accustomed, they are habituated to live in this area. Their ancestors or forefathers or the past generation used to live in this area, and they are accustomed now to live in this inhabitable area. You know that in the forest and hilly area it is difficult to live a happy life, a comfortable life or an easy life, but they do it. Why? Because they are accustomed and they have been doing it for the time immemorial, from the time immemorial, and they are still doing it. Why? Because they have adapted their forefathers lifestyle, their fashion, their life leading, etc. That is why still they are known as ethnic people. Okay, they are mostly farmers, and you know that farming is the main occupations in this country, and among the ethnic people farming is their main occupation. They choose it as their uh, main source of livelihood. Okay, for this work they clear a piece of land in the forest, prepare it and sow seeds. You know that zoom cultivation is confined with the ethnic people in the hilly area or mountain area, and they do it to grow different types of crops at a time. They are mostly farmers. By religion they are Hindus. The ethnic people are not the same religion followers. Okay, they adopt different religions. Among them, they are the Hindus, Christian, or Buddhist. They speak their own mother tongue. Yes, they have their own mother tongue. They generally don't speak in Bengali when they are talking among themselves, but when they speak with the mainstream people, with us, they try to use Bangla. In this sense, Bangla is their second language, but their first language is their mother tongue, not Bengali is their mother tongue. Okay, so they speak their own mother tongue. Some of them are the Chakmas, the Marmas, the Tifras, and the Morangs who live in the hill tracts. The Shantas live in Rajshahi, the Khasiyas and the Manipuris live in Sylhet, and Hazongsa and the Garus in Maimanshi. Okay, you know that there is a hill in Maimanshi, its called is Garo Pahad. Okay, the hill of the Garos. Especially the Garos live there and they try to survive them doing different activities in that region. Okay, so this is the first part of our ethnic friends. Then the second one is about their lifestyle, how they lead their life. Okay, so I think you have heard my reading. Now look at page 6 and section D. Here we have been given 3 questions. Can you see it? Okay, now where do you find the Marmas? Actually, where do the Marmas live? We have already mentioned in the passage. Okay, so in this way you have to read out any passage from the EFT with full attention, then you will be able to give the gist, give the theme, and it will be easier for you to give the proper answer, and you will be given the full marks. Okay, so from this passage you should also know the words. Okay, what are the words? You should know the words at your home. What? If you know the words, most of the theme of the passage will be clear to you. Word, similar, word, or meaning. Some words don't have direct synonym, then you have to give their meaning. Understand me? Okay, so what words should be taken from the text? First on ethnic. ethnic. I have already discussed about ethnicity or ethnic people. Region. Okay, then majority. Majority. These words I have been taken from the key section, keywords. Okay, shifting. Then shifting. Shifting means changing. Okay, sometimes the ethnic people roam from here to there in quest of their food. So then you have to, they have to shift. Okay, in the passage we have also some important words like important, important, then mostly. Mostly. Okay, so a few words. Here I have been, I have taken a few words from the passage as well as from the keyword section. So you should try to give their similar words or synonym at your home, and you should also try to give the answer to the question in section D. Besides this question, we have some question in the passage also. Okay, like what type of language do the ethnic people use? Can you? Okay, they use their mother tongue. Very good answer. So here is the end of my class. Allah Hafiz at home and keep yourself safe. Okay.